So we are back in Rhino. Notice that I have my picture on this layer, and this layer is locked. So let me unlock it and delete. Delete the layer and everything in it. And if you hover the picture plane command and you press and hold the shift key, notice that you have the possibility to either move that tool away from that toolbar or edit. Edit means right click. So right click and you will open up the bottom editor. So you can change or edit your bitmap over here. You can even create your own or import your own. I do not want to change that, so let me cancel it. And we're going to concentrate on this part. This is the command that runs after you left click. And we have all of these empty. So you can add your own title. Notice that if I cancel it and I hover, I get those two titles. So one more time, press the shift, right click, and we are here. So I have all the steps over here. Much clear. In that way, I don't have to zoom in. First, we're going to make a new layer called picture. Please be aware of the minus and the underscore. The underscore translates this command to any language. The exclamation cancels everything, and there is a space in between. And the minus means do not open any dialog box. All right, so this is the first step. Make a new layer. The name of the layer is picture. You can call it place. You can call it frame, whatever you want. Then we change to that layer. Once we change to that layer, we run this command, picture, and at these two coordinates, we place the bitmap. The first corner 0,0, the second corner 1,1. Then after you insert the picture, you go back to the default layer. Once you are on the default layer, you select the last object, which is the picture, the bitmap. Once you select it, you run properties, select materials, and change the transparency to 75%. And finally, you lock which layer? The picture layer. So let me see if this is working. Right click, select my beautiful picture, open it, and voila! Look, picture. Let me repeat it. Maybe you do not believe me. Right click, picture, open it, and there you have it. It is locked. If I unlock it, select it, look at the transparency is set to 75%. So one more time, all the steps are over here. I hope you enjoy it. And if you use Illustrator, now you can use the feature of Illustrator inside Rhino.